Peacock here for Control Trends at Haystack Connect 2023. I'm delighted to be here with some really good friends who I've known for years and major contributors to Haystack and other parts of our industry. Steve and Emma, delighted you came all the way from Wales to join us. Delighted that you're here. Tell us a little bit about Stack Hub, Fantom Factory, and what you guys actually do. Emma?
Thank you, Mark. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you very much. And so we both run Fantom Factory, which is a digital software business. We specialize in helping businesses with technology. We're purely IT based, so there's plenty of people here who know all about buildings. Yeah. We're not building experts. We know a lot about buildings now, but we try and help businesses to understand the IT side, the technology side. So we do that through software, we do that through tooling, and we do that through e-learning training as well.
Well, I think that's an important part, especially the IT side. IT has really become part of the conversation today in our buildings. So I think that's really, really important. What about your contribution to Haystack and the Haystack community? What are you guys doing? Because I hear your name often and a lot, to be honest with you, especially when it comes to Haystack. Steve?
I guess there's two things that we do. We bring in. One is that we run the Stack Hub website, and the Stack Hub allows people to share their Project Haystack related resources with each other. It also has some tight integration with a couple of the key products out there, such as Fin Framework and SkySpark. So.
That's wonderful. Now, also, you mentioned SkySpark. Emma, tell me a little bit about the training that you guys do for SkySpark and that, because again, I think SkySpark's been around for a while, and it is an excellent platform, but it does require training, and training is a key element. Tell us a little bit about that.
Thank you. Well, the biggest challenge many businesses face is really onboarding and growing their teams. So we focused a lot of training for SkySpark and for other OEMs, and even for Project Haystack, designed for onboarding, designed for entry level. You can come in and you can start to work with the IT systems and build on your knowledge after the training from that point on in your teams or with workshops or with other experts. And so Haystack Essentials is the official e-learning course for Project Haystack. We're very proud of that one. And after today's announcements with Project Zito, yes, I can see us upgrading the training very, very soon.
Absolutely. You got to get working on that quick, because Project Zito was announced today here at Haystack Connect 2023. It's a whole new way, adding on an addition to the value of Project Haystack. So if people out there in the audience want to get a hold of you, what's your website? How do they get a hold of you guys?
FantomFactory.com. That's Fantom with an F.
Exactly. Anything else that you saw today, and we'll use this as the last question, that really thought, oh, that's game-changing, that's new? Is it Zito? Is it some of the conversations that you've been able to have with the attendees? What's kind of been one of the key things that's really stood out for you at Haystack Connect?
If I may. Yeah, I was very impressed with Project Zito, and it's not just the idea behind Zito, but it's also the tooling and implementation that came out around it. So one of the more progressive features that Project Haystack has is that it's not just a tagging standard, it also incorporates all of the communication protocols all around that. And it's great to see that with Project Zito, they've also continued with that theme. So it's not just the standard they're bringing out, but also the Haystack and the tooling around to distribute new Zito specs and stuff there. I think that is very...
That's great. That's great. Well, Mark Peacock for Control Trends, along with Steve and Emma, all the way from Wales. So again, check them out. I think it's going to be worth your while. And with that, we'll say goodbye, Control Trends.
On the move, out into